everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to initiate the vendor onboarding process. We can initiate onboarding for existing vendors, or we can create new vendors and directly onboard them. To create a new vendor, we need to navigate to the List tab, go to Relationships, Vendors, and New. On the new vendor form, we need to enter a name for the vendor. Next, enter an email ID in the email field. And finally, select the subsidiary. If we need to initiate onboarding for a vendor, we need to click on the Vendor Assessment tab. And then, we can see that the names of the approvers are auto-populated based on the configuration. In the Risk Assessment Details section, we need to enter the details required for onboarding. We need to first choose a date, select the assessment type as onboarding, and then select security and other such parameters based on our business requirements. If we need any compliance documents to be submitted by the vendor during onboarding, we can also select them here. If we need to create a new compliance document type, we can click on New and then do this in the pop-up window that appears. We need to select the questionnaire template that we wish to assign for the onboarding in the questionnaire template field and check the Send Questionnaire checkbox. If we forget to select a questionnaire template, but check the Send Questionnaire box and click on Add, we will then be shown an alert. We then need to select a questionnaire template to fix our mistake and then click Add. For the vendor to be able to submit the vendor onboarding questionnaire, we need to provide them with access to the vendor portal. To provide this access, click the Vendor Portal External Access checkbox. If we need to notify the vendor that they have been given access to the portal, check the Welcome email box and a notification will be sent to the vendor. We also need to assign a password in the Vendor Portal Password field. Once we have entered all these details, save the record. If we want to initiate onboarding for an existing vendor, we can directly edit that vendor record by clicking on the Vendor Assessment tab and filling in the details as required. So, this is how we can initiate the vendor onboarding process.